Okay, good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present on the National Research and Innovation Conference 2020 and Recon 2020 on the topic or the effects of gingerization process in untreated used cooking oil and additional of naphthalene as a stabilizer in produced biodiesel on pH value and viscosity. Me, as a presenter, Mr. Zainal Abidin bin Ahmad, and my co-author, Muhammad Nazri Abu Shah, and Mr. Hatta Azwa Dahlan from Jabatan Kejuruteraan Petrokimia. Here is our presentation outline on the introduction, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and for our recommendation. The introduction of this research background, problem statement, objective, scope, and limitation and significance of the research. All right, so waste cooking oil, a potential alternative energy for the biodiesel production, where the process by means of the transesterification process, where the only short chain alcohol is needed and some catalyst of hydroxides, and highly resources waste cooking oil from food industry, where this is our main ingredient, where we can get it from the food industries and more convenience for long-term capacity. And the low energy required for transforming the used cooking oil to biodiesel compared to with the pyrolysis method, where the common diesel was. Then it is not to say that the new enhancement of the stability biodiesel by bioactive ingredients, using the biodegradable ingredients. And in the mature technology, this is the advantage of it is to produce the biodiesels by waste cooking oil and by products still available in the market. So there is this background. Waste cooking oil appears as one of the best accessibility options for the biodiesel production globally, given its availability and low price. And biodiesel fuel, biofuel stability is one of the most critical properties related to commercialization of biodiesel into the global fuel market, reported by the August 2019. So, what is the gingerization process? Gingerification process is believed to be able to produce a free fatty acid biodiesel. This will make the biodiesel to have less glycerol. In addition to it, addition of ginger as a bioactive in this process acts alcohol substitute and be an antioxidant to reduce the oxidation behavior in the biodiesel. Thus, it can minimize the usage of methanol as the additive of the reactant. Gingerification is also believed to be able to reduce some particular contaminants emitted to air from the combustion of the biodiesel, as it contains no acid or alkaline catalyst. And additional of naphthalene, the addition of it is an additive, provide better quality by increasing octane numbers of the biodiesel and improve the physical properties in terms of pH value and the viscosity. Here is our problem statement. The adopting of bioactive in alternative methods of enhancing the stability of biodiesel, for example, ginger. Because we believe in ginger, we have the properties of shagol and other properties of it, and we believe it can produce the bioreactants as such as methanol. And however, the physical properties of the biodiesel will changing after introduce the gingerization process in initial stage. So therefore, gingerization process is conducted at early stages of biodiesel production by the first loading of sliced ginger to ensure that gingerification process induce more free fatty acid of biodiesel, and we believe that it will increase the yield conversion of biodiesel and reduce byproduct, that is glycerol. Additional additive biodiesel antioxidant by naphthalene compound also incorporated. So the objective of these studies is to study the effect of the gingerization process by different slices ginger loading in waste cooking oil. And then secondly, to study the incorporation of naphthalene in biodiesel for its physical properties, that is against the pH value and the viscosity. All right, so our methodology is synthesis route of material analysis. So this is our GNAP biodiesel. So G would like to represent the gingerification, and the term NAP meanings is the naphthalene. So GNAP is biodiesel is the combination of ginger and naphthalene. So at any initial stage, the experimental works by gingerization loading, 10% loading, 15% loading, and 20% loading. And then after that, we send it for FTIR analysis, where we see the broadening of the FTIR spectrum. And then by naphthalene loading, we differentiate in the loading by percentage, by wet mass percentage, and then we do the analysis of physical properties, by getting the pH value and the viscosity of it. All right, so our result and discussion, gingerification process effects towards the broadening of FTIR peak. C is equal to O. So this is the FTIR analysis, and we believe that the analysis is a symmetrical pattern where we observe it for both conditions, but the detection functional group of carbon oxygen for 10 weight mass additional sliced ginger in peak spectrum is around 1600 centimeter and slightly shift to the right value of 1705 for the weight mass, 15 weight mass of sliced ginger. Besides that, the high intensity of additional 15 weight mass of ginger slice is observed significantly promote the formation of biodiesel methyl esters, that is biodiesel, by a broadening of peak spectrum. Thus, this proves that the ginger slices able to act as a bioactive to treat the used cooking oil for the improvement in yield production of biodiesel. The naphthalene effect to physical properties, that is in sense of pH value and viscosity. Here, the result, the pH of reactant used cooking oil with naphthalene and the viscosity of used cooking oil in 3 minutes time. As we see the result, the additional of naphthalene in used cooking oil, about 7.5 gram of naphthalene does promote the pH value where we come out with 6.62 and the upper limit of the standard biodiesel about 7.5 millimeters squared per second, which is the most similar value with the standard of ASTM D6751 standard. Does this prove that the ginger slices able to act as bioactive to treat the used cooking oil for the improvement in the biodiesel production, and additional a small amount of naphthalene in biodiesel improve the pH condition and also the viscosity behavior. We have to conclude and give some recommendation for this project. We believe that GNAP biodiesel, that is the combination of ginger and naphthalene biodiesel, successfully synthesized by waste cooking oil and methanol with KOH as catalyst. In our FTIR analysis, we detect that the functional group of CO for 10% wet mass additional sliced ginger in peak spectrum and slightly shift to the right value of it for the 15 wet mass percentage of weight mass of sliced ginger. And the broadening peak of CO is higher loading sliced ginger 15 wet mass is observed compared with 10% of loading, which present the increasing of potential biodiesel products. And also the pH value and the viscosity effect, the additional of naphthalene in used cooking oil, about 7.5 gram naphthalene promote the pH value of 6.62 and the upper limit of standard biodiesel about 7.5 millimeters, which is the most similar value according to the ASTM D6751 standard. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.